Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to remove Google Dialer new update on any Android phone. Now, if your Google Dialer has updated automatically to the new version, and if you want to remove the new update of your Google Dialer, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Now, in your Settings app, just tap on App or App Management. From here, just select App List, and from here you will find all the apps on your smartphone. Now, from here, just search for the phone app. Now on this page, just select Force Stop, then tap on Force Stop. From here, just tap on Storage Usage and select Clear Cache. Now once you clear the cache of the phone app, just go back, then tap on the two dots on the screen. From here, just select Uninstall Updates. Now just select OK. Now once you do that, now if you go to your home screen and open the Dialer app, you can see that we have successfully removed the new update from our Dialer app. And this is how you can remove Google Dialer new update on any Android phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.